Hi, I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today, and I hope y'all are having a great Easter. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 15. And our prompts for this week is something with fins, so I've got assorted fish, a person, I've got this guy, a triangle, and I'm using this pyramid, a game piece, I've got images of a domino and bingo card. A date, I will fill in the date on this. And bonus is a contraption, and I'm doing this Houdini water tank contraption. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP15 to see what everyone else has made. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. here's my finished collage. I've got my something with fins. I've got my person. Really, I've got two people. I've got a triangle. I've got a game piece, a date, and the bonus is a contraption. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I hope y'all have a great and wonderful Easter, and I just very, very thankful for all of you. So until next time, bye y'all.